Okay, today in this video I'll give you overview of hair straightener. It's a professional hair straightener, right? And it is made by Kimi. Kimi is a company. It's an international brand. It's the one of the best hair straightener for ladies. It is worldwide recognized, and you can purchase in any country without any problem. It is available on Amazon, Alibaba, and other sites. So you can purchase this uh, Kimi professional hair straightener from any country. So today I will unbox this sort of straightener. So first of all, it is KM 328. It is 328 straightener. And beside that, this is a fast ready. First of all, there is a mention 20 to 20 degree centigrade. It is going to be work. Next is a nano silver, and then temperature control. It means, and ceramic. All the materials of this hair straightener made by this ceramic material, and long cord means it has a long wire inside that is connected with it. All of the outlooks are given UK, DEPT, AE. These are the standards internationally where it's going to be used. First, now I will unbox this. But before this, you can read the manual. Manual is almost mentioned on the one side of this hair straightener. You can read whole of the data from the outside of straightener. Now I will unbox. You just push from the one side. Okay, I'm pushing from right side, and it has extracted. Now you can see it has a very beautiful packing. This is the wire, right? I'm watching this a wire, and it seems to be very long. I think 1.5 meter in length. Now I will unbox it, and this is your straightener, hair straightener. Okay, and its length is almost 1.5 feet. It has a multi optional, right? You press, you insert your hairs in this slab, and you will move with a gentle way, very gentle way. When it will be heat up at a maximum temperature, you will just gently make sense of and move this straightener from top to the downwards in your hairs, and definitely it will be straight. And beside this is the temperature control. You are wanted to be operate it at a high temperature or a low temperature, on off, yes. And when you will keep on the on position, right? So it will be heat up, and when you will place it in the off position, its temperature will be down, and it will gonna to be off. It's a simple thing. And third, you can see this is the manual, right? Most of the things are in English, so you can read all these instructions, and then you can implement. But one thing I'm gonna to identify, it manufactured in I think in China. Okay, so it is a Chinese product. It is a Kimi is a Chinese company, and it's a Chinese product, but it is quite reliable, durable, and its working principle and procedure is very accurate and perfect. So I recommend you to use this sort of hair straightener, and it's very good straightener for ladies. Thank you very much. And uh, find it if you find it good, please like my videos, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for a more informative videos. Thank you very much.